If you have old rusty tools lying around in your garage, do not throw them in the trash just yet. You can actually restore them using something you probably have in your fridge right now, Coca-Cola. The secret here is phosphoric acid. Most dark sodas contain small amounts of it, and it does an amazing job of breaking down iron oxide, which is just the fancy name for rust. It's a cheap and easy alternative to buying expensive chemical rust removers. Here is exactly how to do it. Grab a plastic container or a bucket large enough to fit your rusty wrench, pliers, or hammer head. Place the tools inside and fill the container with Coke until the metal is completely submerged. Now, you need to have a little patience. Let the tools soak for at least 24 hours. If the rust is really heavy, you might want to leave it for 48 hours. The acid needs time to eat away at that corrosion. After the time is up, pull the tools out. You will notice the rust has loosened significantly. Grab a piece of crumpled aluminum foil, a wire brush, or a scouring pad, and give the tool a good scrub. You will see the sludge wipe right off to reveal the clean metal underneath. Finally, rinse the tool with warm water to wash away the sticky sugar residue. This step is crucial. Dry the tool thoroughly immediately after rinsing. If you leave it wet, it will just rust again. Apply a little bit of oil or WD-40 to protect the metal, and your tool is good as new.